Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to RCT Academy. Welcome back to another videos. My name is Raymond, and today I'm going to show you how to make a keyword research with a free tools. So I'm going to show you how to make YouTube keyword research for free. You don't need to spend anything. So I'm going to give you a legit website you can do your keyword research and you are going to rank on your channel. So as you can see, this is my channel. Is a new channel. What I make on this channel is I make a bunch of tutorials about tech, crypto, digital marketing, and how to make money online. So if this is your first time watching my channel, please kindly hit the subscribe button now, turn the notification bell so in case anytime I'm dropping a new videos, you'll be the first one to get notified. So without any further ado, let's move on to the main tutorials. So this is the site I'm going to show you. So please make sure you watch this video to the end so that you can understand how to make your keyword research. One thing about YouTube is that you don't just go to YouTube and start making a random videos. No, you have to make a research on whatever content you want to make. You have to know the total people searching for the content. So now this is the name of the site we are going to use, H Super Tools. This is totally free and it's legit. So we are going, though they have the premium account, but we are going to use their free version. So what you need to do is just head on to this YouTube and come to YouTube keyword tool. So when you click on the keyword YouTube keyword tool, so you are going to make research concerning your niche you are. For example, I'm into tech. Let me search best Android phone in 2023. Maybe I want to make a tutorials about best Android phone in 2023, for example. So I'm just going to put it here, enter a keyword or phrase. So and I'm going to search. So as you can see, it's loading, it's loading, it's loading, it's loading, it's loading, loading, loading. So it's going to search through as you can see, the best Android phone in 2023 has a difficulty of medium and is almost 5.67, and it has search volume of 2,000 people are searching for this per month. So this is not the right keyword for a new channel. I won't advise you to go for this kind of keywords. So let's go down. Maybe as you can see, this is another keyword suggestion, but most of this suggestion is so hard. So as you can see, so let's make another keyword research about YouTube. Let me just say, maybe you are into pet. Let me say pet. Let's see how people are searching for pet. So we want to know about the difficulty of pet niche. So it's loading. As you can see, wow, the difficulty of pet niche is totally high, and the search volume is almost 247,000 search volume, which is not easy to outrank. So but maybe the niche you are is, let's say, how to make money, how to make money. Let's see the nature of how to make money. So I will urge you guys to, when if your channel is new, just go for a easy keyword. Just go for difficulty of easy. Don't go for any keyword that is medium or that is high. As you can see, make money niche also is high. So you can just target a long tail keyword. As you can see, how to make money with no money, it is totally hard and it has a lot of search from people. So let's make another keyword research which will be easy. So if you want to make a videos, you need to search for a low difficulty and long tail keyword. How to make money online United in USA. Let's see this. How to make money. Sorry. Okay, I want to type how to make money online in USA. I wrote how to make money in USA. But let's see the data of that one. As you can see, it is totally high. Let's search for another keyword. Let's say keyword research tool, or let's say free keyword. Maybe you want to make a tutorial about free keyword research tool. So let's see how it goes. It's searching. As you can see, wow, this is a perfect keyword for a new channel. So don't forget that I'm making a tutorials about this also. So which means 22,000 people are searching for this keyword per month, and the difficulty is totally low, which is 1.82, which is low. So if you can scroll down and you see this is best free keyword research tools, you see they have almost 10,000 people searching for this, or which is easy. Free keyword research tools, we have 3,000 people searching for that. We have the keyword research, which is 21,000. We have keyword research for SEO. So this is the perfect. This is perfect for a new channel to go for. So it is totally easy. Don't go for the medium, just go for anyone which is easy. Especially best free keyword research tool. It has zero. It is so easy to rank for. So guys, what you need to do is just head on to this site and create an account with them. I have an account before, so I just want to log in. You just log into your account and you start making your research. So guys, that was all about today's video. If you enjoyed today's video, smash the like button. If you have any question concerning the keyword research tool, and more so, before I go, one thing is that you can export this into CSV, so that you can whenever you can save this on your Microsoft Word Excel files. So whenever you want to, let me export these. So whenever you want to make a keyword research, you don't need to go to H Super Tools again. Once you save this, you just need to open it with Excel and start copying the keyword research tool. As you can see, it is already here, so you can filter whatever you want here if you know how to use Excel more better. So guys, that's all about today's video. If you like today's video, smash the like button. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn the notification bell, so in case anytime I'm making a new videos, you'll be the first one to get notified. See you in my next video, guys.